It is a beautiful day out here in Miami. Collagen brownies taste like Fruity Pebbles. I accept it and I move forward. And what happens is, when angel numbers, a lot of you have been asking about. Twist it first. That is the secret. Come with me. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a beautiful day out here in Miami. I am on my way to a workout event with Stay Fit 305. I'm going to Eden Rock. It's on Miami Beach, 42nd Street. I was planning on biking there today. I meditated a little longer than I expected and I journaled a little longer than I expected. So we drive in. So yesterday I had a Rumble event at Number 3 Social. It's at a rooftop in Wynwood. Number 3 Social has brunch and they do dinners and all of that fun stuff. Something I learned in the self-development journey is that no one teaches you how to handle with your feelings. There's so many different sides of us. There are the silly, the goofy, the sad, the happy, the low energy, the high energy, upset, the anxious, the excitement, the joyful. There's so many sides. I always thought you had to just feel happy and positive, and if you feel anything else, that's wrong. Wrong-o. Wrong-o. It is okay to feel sad. It is okay to feel down. It is okay to have low energy once in a while, or if you have it for the whole day, that's okay. I don't ignore it. I don't fight it. I used to. For example, I feel it, I accept it, and I move forward. And what happens is, when I move forward after I feel it and I accept it, it just magically happens to get better. That's my morning TED Talk. Where I'm going, I'm following the music. There's yoga. Am I even in the right place? I see it. Oh wow, this is big.
It's just a different presentation we have for different channels, like Costco. Medium. We're about to get sweaty. I'm already sweating, and we haven't even started.
Real hot.
Summer sweat series, right? Summer melt.
Left, turn to your right, meet somebody new that you've never met before. We're gonna sweat with them today, say hello, get to know them. They're gonna be your partner throughout this workout.
So pick the other leg, whichever one that was. Find it, get into that lunge. 4, 3, 2, point your right leg at me. Bring it back down. Point your left leg at me. Bring it back down. Hey. Right leg first, down. Left leg.
My screen looks blurry. I just got back from the event and I'm going to show you all the goodies I got. First are these shorts. They're by the brand TLF. They're so cute. Favorite color, black waistband, black underneath. So cute. They have pockets, sporting. I literally need these in every color. They had a bunch of amazing vendors. 3, 2, 1 Glow. Collagen brownies, yes, salted caramel, 16 grams of protein. Then they also have this other amazing brand called Fro Pro. So this is a toasted marshmallow. It has 10 grams of protein, 30 superfoods, 20 vitamins and mineral. It's a peanut butter toasted marshmallow on the go snack bar. This one's a tropical dream. They say it tastes like Fruity Pebbles. They're all gluten-free, which is amazing because I'm staying away from gluten, and dairy-free. I love eating healthy. Eating healthy just makes you feel good. glow good, look good, feel good, all the above. It was such an amazing event. Stay Fit 305, if you don't follow them and you're into the fitness, health, wellness industry, definitely check them out. They're always hosting amazing, amazing fitness, health, and wellness events. You guys want to see my view? Yeah. I'm manifesting this. I also forgot to show you guys my new jewelry line. Angel numbers. A lot of you have been asking about these angel numbers. I am going to be releasing them. I'm trying to find lighting. I'm going to be releasing them very soon. I'm wearing 222 and 444, and they're adjustable. And of course, they're sweat proof because I'm always sweating. They're plated gold. But of course, if you want to take good care of them, don't sweat in them and don't shower with them. But I shower with them and I sweat with them, and they don't turn at all.